In this video, you will find out where to find your invoices and how to work with the billing system. To find your invoices, you need to click on Payments in the My Clients section of the Yandex Direct main page. Here you will find all of your invoices and other payment details. There is also an option of advanced search, which helps you filter your invoices by date, payment method, payment type, and so on. If you need to find the invoice for a particular campaign, you can enter your campaign number into the order number field. On the balance page, order number is the same as the campaign number. To see full details of an invoice, like bank details, date, and the amount, you can click on the Details button on the right, which will take you to the full information. There you will find invoice amount and paid fields. If there is a 0 in the paid field, that means that the invoice has not been paid yet. For your reference, this is how our invoices look, with the invoice number, date, and the amount. Discover more tutorials on the agency interface in our channel, and learn more about Yandex Direct at ads.yandex.com/direct.